More than 500,000 kitchens in the US alone are now safer and healthier thanks to TAIMA's non-toxic titanium pans, heat-safe utensils, and antibacterial cutting boards. All incredibly durable and resistant to extreme heat. TAIMA Titanium cares about your health and well-being. Here's the proof. We are the only brand worldwide offering kitchenware made of pure medical-grade titanium. That means it's proven safe for food contact at the highest level. So why would you choose our titanium kitchenware? First, it's 100% non-toxic and non-reactive. That means no harmful chemicals leaching into your food, no matter how often you cook or how hot your pan gets. Plus, it has superior heat control and even distribution, helping preserve up to 40% more nutrients so that your meals stay as healthy as nature intended. That's because we use medical-grade titanium, the purest form possible, and it's the one used in surgical implants and medical tools for decades. It's safe, naturally non-reactive, non-leaching, and proven to last a lifetime. With TAIMA, you'll never have to worry about toxins sneaking into your family's meals ever again. Second, it's more sustainable. Titanium doesn't degrade or wear down like other materials. In fact, it only gets stronger and safer with use, while staying light and easy to handle. No wonder it's used in aerospace and defense, where failure is not an option. For you, that means a one-time investment that lasts for generations. And third, it's ridiculously easy to clean. Unlike most cookware, you can throw it in the dishwasher and forget about scrubbing because it never holds on to stains or odors. That means more time and energy for you and your family. Let's compare that to traditional cookware found in many kitchens, maybe even yours. Non-stick pans? They're coated with PTFE and PFAS, forever chemicals that flake, peel, and release toxins when overheated. Stainless steel may contain nickel and chromium, which can leach into your food under high heat, especially when cooking acidic foods like tomatoes, lemons, or pepper. Even ceramic pans lose their coating after just a year or two, exposing a toxic aluminum layer which is not safe to cook with. Pure titanium doesn't react with food, doesn't release harmful particles, and doesn't break down over time. But how exactly can TAIMA Titanium kitchenware protect your health? Titanium is naturally antibacterial. That means less bacteria buildup and safer meals for your family. And since it's 100% pure titanium with no toxic coatings, glues, or fillers, you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your meals or liquids. Because here's the truth. Many people don't know that traditional non-stick and plastic kitchenware can release microplastics and forever chemicals, affecting your hormones, gut health, and even contributing to brain fog, weight gain, and other health risks. But with TAIMA Titanium, you avoid all of that. You're using clean, safe, and durable kitchenware without ingesting any dangerous chemicals. No microplastics, no forever chemicals, no bacteria and mold, and no hormone disruptors. That means cooking without poisoning your food. So what are you waiting for? Head to taimatitanium.com and upgrade your kitchen with tools that are safe, stylish, and built to last.